Going shopping for what? Camping.
I was in a good mood, but my nanny didn't invite me in the video.
Okay, me and my daughter are excited. We're still gonna go camping, go shopping for camping. However, since Sportsman's Warehouse was so very close to Walmart, why not stop? This was actually my first time going into Sportsman's Warehouse. I was pleased and displeased. Displeased because I didn't find what I was looking for. The pleasing part is, guys, if you don't know what to cook when you are camping, you see these kettles? You get you some kettles and you get you a fire source and you learn how to heat water. Because there is no excuse when it comes to camping food. Food is readily available for campers that don't know how to cook. Most of the time, all you have to do is add water. Those sandwiches that you just saw are ready to eat. And there's no excuse. Camping food is available. And this store had plenty of it. The girls are window shopping, trying to get an idea for some easy foods for the next camping trip. These are just some items that can make your life a little easier while setting up camp at your next camping trip. And, you know, I just love shopping for things that make your life easier. I've been seeing these camping chairs all over YouTube, and I'm thinking about getting a couple since they fold up really nice and small. And we finally made it to Wally World. I've been noticing that a lot of different Walmarts would carry more items for camping, and some Walmarts would carry less items for camping. I myself came in here to see this little mess kit that they had for when I'm solo camping and I don't have the family with me and I can just downsize my kitchen box.
And my nanny, she is right here. Sorry about that, guys. It was just a Siri, but yeah. And yeah, giant keys, everything. And we have, I think we have some 4th of July stuff. I don't know, but, and that's the Christmas stuff. And that's the 4th of July stuff. Ooh, look at these high heels.
Let's do one more down here.
Yeah. And Mom, are you coming? Yeah. And I wonder what this is. Oh, this is a little can. This is more kitchen stuff, as you can see. You just never know what you're gonna find on the goat wheel. Keep on trucking to your next campsite. Make sure you keep watching on YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.